How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your FPS drops and stuttering problem in League of Legends. So when you encounter this problem, the first thing that you want to do is to actually try decreasing the graphics right here, because it will then try to go ahead and run it with less resources, enabling you to run the game easily. The other thing that you could do is to make sure to put full screen on the settings itself. So as you can see, as of right now, my FPS is really stable. And also, the other thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you have updated your graphics card drivers. And so to do that, just head over to your Chrome browsers or any browsers whatsoever, and you can just search for drivers update. And here we are simply going to update our graphics card drivers so we can play our game compat so we can play our game without any errors whatsoever. So since I'm using NVIDIA, I'm going to head over to the NVIDIA drivers right here. And of course, you then want to type your product. So in my case, it's going to be GeForce. It's going to be the RTX 30 series, so on and so forth. So after updating your drivers, simply from there, you should be good to go. Once again, just make sure that you are running full screen. And then for the FPS, I suggest using somewhere between 120. Therefore, it will then go ahead and limit stuttering because it is stable on a certain FPS. But overall, just lower down the graphics and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.